Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome back again to Majid Fragrance channel for reviewing and describing fragrances, continuing our series regarding the best fragrances for beginners. For those who missed the two episodes in the few days ago, I will let for you the two links of the two episodes that we were talking about them. Beautiful and powerful fragrances for beginners. If you are new in this channel, welcome my friends, subscribe, hit the notification button to get always our news. Stay tuned. We're gonna start our list by Parade de Nuit by Perfumes. This fragrance is one of the best niche fragrances from Perfumes. I talk about the niche fragrances. If you want to know more about these niche fragrances, you can check my playlist of beautiful fragrances from Perfumes. Also, if you want to know more about this brand, I talk a lot about fragrances from this house. Parade de Nuit is an ambery fragrance designed for both women and men. The scent was released in 2021. This scent also is very close to Intoxicated by Killian. The niche fragrance, expensive. You can stick with Parade de Nuit, you're gonna have the same smell and the same DNA with under $30. This scent also it's for all seasons. It's more night scent than day scent. It's open with some spices. There is cardamom mixed with coffee, cinnamon, bergamot. There is the praline in the middle note that gives the sweetness to this scent. There is nutmeg, patchouli, cedar. The base contains tonka beans, amber musk, and vanilla. Really, it's a beautiful fragrance, and the most beautiful thing here, it's an eternal fragrance regarding the longevity, and the sillage is enormous. Parade de Nuit, it's a warm spicy, sweet, fresh spicy. It's also when it's dry totally, you're gonna enjoy the powdery scent from this fragrance. Parade de Nuit by Perfumes. We jump now to Middle East. FATTAN by Rasasi is a beautiful fragrance that was released in 2018. This scent is one of the best clones to Terre de Hermes. If you want to know more about the top clones of Terre de Hermes, I talked about them before. I will let for you also the link of this episode in the description. Also, if you want to know more about Terre de Hermes, I made a special video of it. This scent, FATTAN by Rasasi, it's a perfect day scent. You can use it in the summer, spring, fall. It's open with beautiful grapefruit, bergamot, pink pepper. There is the vetiver that gave a main scent to this scent here, mixed with cedar, patchouli, lily of the valley. The base contains that wakmos with benzoin and amber. Really, it's very close to Terre de Hermes. It's long-lasting, the sillage from moderate to strong. If you love woody, citrusy, earthy scent, definitely you will enjoy this scent. TURATHI Blue, one of the best fragrances that I recommend it for beginners, not only for beginners. I recommend it also for those who love Tigar from Bulgaria. This one is very close to it. The scent of TURATHI Blue by FATTAN was released in 2021. It's an aromatic aquatic fragrance. The scent is a perfect day scent. The beauty of this scent, it's more beautiful in summer, spring and fall. It's open with a blend of citruses, and definitely when it's dry, you're gonna enjoy the woody notes mixed with amber, spices, patchouli and musk. This one is a long-lasting fragrance. The sillage is from moderate to strong, so if you love a citrusy scent, TURATHI Blue is for you. We turn another time to France. Sunrise Vetiver by Franck Olivier. I discovered it in 2019, I think, or 2020. This scent is very beautiful. It's a day scent. Also here, it's designed for those who love the vetiver note. This scent is perfect for men. It's not for women. So also this scent is designed for summer and spring. It's open with Italian lemon, bergamot. There is orange blossom. The middle note contains nutmeg, rosemary, cardamom. spicy middle note. The base contain that beautiful vetiver that give the scent or personality to this fragrance. They add also iris. The iris here is make it very smooth, powdery. So the vetiver, it's here, it's that beautiful vetiver, not that harsh vetiver. Also this scent, it's very close to vetiver by Guerlain. So if you love that fragrance, this one also you're gonna enjoy it. Citrusy, woody, fresh, spicy, earthy, powdery. Really, I love this scent. ASAD by Latafa, one of the best fragrances that are alternative for Dior Sauvage Elixir. ASAD was released in 2021 and it belongs to the line of amber fragrances designed for men. This scent can wear it in all seasons. You're gonna enjoy the spices mixed with vanilla, amber, sandalwood. There is clove, and also the scent is very close to Dior Sauvage Elixir. Here you will have an long-lasting longevity with moderate to strong sillage. This fragrance also it's rated as a great value because the ingredient when we compare it with the price of this fragrance, it's I think it's great deal here. If you love warm spices fragrances mixed with vanilla and powdery notes, also you're gonna enjoy this scent. For lovers of Tom Ford Black Orchid and you find it a little bit expensive, you can buy Oud 24 Hours by alzaafaran. This scent will give you the same DNA of that fragrance. It's an ambery scent designed for unisex women and men, but I don't recommend it in the hot weather. It's designed for the night of cool seasons like fall and winter. Here it's open with that dark chocolate that remember as of Tom Ford Black Orchid. There is also that mandarin orange, bergamot. The middle note contains spices, ylang-ylang, gardenia, jasmine, fruity notes, and the base contain incense, sandalwood, agarwood, and patchouli. Here you will have long-lasting longevity with moderate to strong sillage. If you love warm spices fragrances mixed with woody, sweet, chocolate scent, I think this one you're gonna enjoy it. Pure by Emmanuel Jane. This scent designed for both women and men. The scent is a fruity scent. It belongs to the line of ambery fragrances and it's very close to Herba Pura. This one I think it's good for beginners to try the fragrance. It's under $40. It's for all seasons. Beautiful scent that it's acceptable by all people. It's open with orange, bergamot, lemon. The middle note contains some fruits. The base contains white musk with amber and Madagascar vanilla. The scent is an eternal. Regarding the longevity, the sillage is enormous, so if you love fruity scents, definitely you're gonna enjoy Pure by Emmanuel Jane. Thank you my lovers for watching this episode. This one is the third one. If you missed the two first episodes, I will let it for you, the links in the description. See you in the next video. Thank you.